Welcome back to Power Tools Pro. Today, we're diving into 20 brand new Wera tools for 2026 that every tool lover needs to see. From insulated wrenches to modular sets and torque tools, we're covering the latest innovations that make your workshop smarter, faster, and more efficient. Let's jump in. The ToolCheck Modular Set 1 is an innovative, space-saving modular tool system. Designed for efficiency, it combines essential bits, drivers, and ratchets in a compact, stackable design, perfect for workshops or on-the-go work. Each module snaps together for easy transport, keeping tools organized and accessible. Its clever system ensures you always have the right tool at hand, improving productivity and reducing clutter. Precision crafted by Wera, it offers durability, ergonomic comfort, and versatility. A smart solution for professionals, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a modern, organized approach to tool storage and accessibility.
The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 900 is an all-in-one screwdriver set built for professional electricians who need portability and versatility. It features a ratcheting handle and an assortment of high-quality bits, all securely stored in the handle for easy transport. The ergonomic Kraftform design reduces hand fatigue and provides precise torque control, while the ratchet mechanism speeds up repetitive tasks. Ideal for panel work, switchgear installations, and service maintenance, this set replaces multiple screwdrivers and enhances workflow efficiency. Constructed from durable steel, the bits maintain long-lasting precision. With its compact size, versatility, and VDE safety certification, the Kraftform Kompakt 900 is a must-have for electricians and technicians working in tight spaces.
The premium long-reach wrench set combines ring and open-end functionality. Its ergonomic design and high-strength German steel make it perfect for heavy-duty applications, while the precise ratcheting action speeds up repetitive tasks. The extended length improves leverage without compromising control, reducing hand strain during extended use. Ideal for professional mechanics and workshop enthusiasts, this set adapts to multiple fastener sizes effortlessly. With the trusted Wera engineering, it ensures safety, comfort, and precision for a wide range of mechanical, automotive, and industrial tasks. A must-have for anyone serious about tools. The Click-Torque lock wrenches redefine precision torque control. These adjustable wrenches feature a patented torque lock mechanism, allowing you to set exact torque values and lock them, eliminating accidental slips or over-tightening. Ideal for automotive, machinery, and high-precision applications, they offer ergonomic comfort, durability, and high-quality steel construction. Their ratcheting function provides fast and efficient tightening, while the clear scale ensures accuracy every time. Professionals and serious hobbyists will appreciate the combination of safety, convenience, and precision in this innovative tool, making it one of Wera's most advanced torque solutions for 2026. Its reversible mechanism for effortless tightening and loosening of bolts. Its 3/8-inch drive and metric socket range make it versatile for automotive, mechanical, and industrial work. The ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, while the high-quality steel ensures durability and precision. Its compact design fits into tight spaces, making challenging tasks simpler. This set is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who value performance, reliability, and comfort in one package. With Wera's trusted German engineering, the 38100 SB12 Zyklops ensures your ratcheting experience is fast, safe, and precise.
The Belt B VDE 1 Zyklop bit socket set is fully insulated for safe electrical work up to 1000 volts. Its VDE certified bit sockets include Torx and internal hex sizes, all with Wera's patented holding function for secure screw engagement. The 3/8-inch drive fits standard ratchets or torque wrenches, combining versatility and safety. Compact and robust, it's ideal for professionals needing precise torque control without compromising hand safety. Ergonomically designed, it reduces fatigue during extended work periods, making it an indispensable tool for electricians, mechanics, and hobbyists who want efficiency and reliability in one smart set. The Kraftform Kompakt 20 RAR is a compact ratcheting screwdriver set designed for efficiency and comfort. Its ergonomic Kraftform handles fit the hand perfectly, reducing strain while maximizing torque. With 20 precision-engineered bits and a robust ratchet mechanism, it handles a wide range of fastening tasks with speed and accuracy. Ideal for workshops, maintenance, and DIY projects, this set is built for durability and long-term use. Its clever design combines portability, versatility, and ergonomic excellence, making it an essential tool for anyone who values precision and performance in a compact, modern format.
The Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE 17 is a universal, one-tool solution for electricians. Fully VDE certified for up to 1,000 volts, it ensures safe work on live systems. This compact set includes a range of insulated bits stored inside an ergonomic handle for portability. The Kraftform handle reduces hand fatigue and improves torque control, while the secure bit retention system keeps tools organized. Ideal for electrical panels, service work, and tight spaces, this tool eliminates the need to carry multiple screwdrivers. Its combination of safety, versatility, and ergonomic design make it an essential tool for any electrician.
The Joker 6007 5-piece set is a versatile open-end and ring ratchet wench system. Designed for heavy-duty workshop and mechanical applications, it combines durability, precision, and ergonomic comfort. Its ratcheting action ensures faster work, while the compact profile allows access in tight spaces. Made from high-strength German steel, this set handles repeated use without wear. Professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike will benefit from the convenience, reliability, and efficiency this Wera set offers. Perfect for automotive, mechanical, and industrial work, the Joker 6007 delivers top performance with every turn, making it an essential addition to your tool collection.
The Wera Zyklop Pocket Ratchet is a compact and portable tool designed for professional electricians. Its small size makes it perfect for tight spaces inside control panels and junction boxes. The fine-tooth ratchet mechanism allows precise fastening and smooth operation, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort during long tasks. The ratchet accepts multiple bits and sockets for versatile usage, and the secure locking system keeps them in place during work. Ideal for electrical installations, equipment maintenance, and service jobs, the Zyklop Pocket combines portability, precision, and durability. This tool ensures fast, efficient screwdriving without compromising safety or quality, making it a must-have for every professional electrician. The Wera ball grip screwdriver is designed for high-speed and ergonomic screwdriving. Its unique handle shape provides maximum torque with minimal effort, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged work. The ball-shaped grip allows fast wrist rotation, enabling electricians to work efficiently in cramped spaces, such as panels and switchgear. High-quality hardened steel bits ensure precise screw engagement and long-lasting performance. Ideal for repetitive installation tasks, maintenance, and control panel assembly, this screwdriver combines comfort, speed, and precision. Its durable design and innovative handle make it an essential addition to any electrician's toolkit.
The 410i VDE B RA combines a key handle adapter with ratcheting functionality for safe, efficient work. VDE insulation protects up to 1,000 volts, making it perfect for electricians and professionals. Its ergonomic T-handle provides maximum torque while reducing hand fatigue. Compatible with 3/8-inch socket inserts, it ensures precision in tight or repetitive fastening tasks. Crafted with Wera's precision engineering, this tool guarantees durability, reliability, and comfort. A must-have for electrical work, mechanical maintenance, and any environment requiring safe, controlled torque application in compact spaces. Its versatile design brings efficiency and safety together flawlessly.
The Wera 9530 torque wrench set is engineered for precision torque control in professional electrical installations. Its adjustable range ensures accurate fastening of sensitive components, preventing damage to connections. VDE certified up to 1000 volts, it allows safe use in live environments. The ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended tasks, while the clear torque scale enables quick and precise adjustments. Suitable for HVAC, electrical panels, and switchgear assembly, this set ensures compliance with industry torque specifications. With high-strength steel construction and reliable calibration, the 9530 torque wrench is indispensable for electricians who need accuracy, safety, and durability in every fastening application. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt Stubby is a compact screwdriver set designed for tight spaces where standard tools cannot reach. Its short handle and ergonomic design allow maximum torque with minimal effort. The set includes a range of insulated and non-insulated bits, all stored securely in the handle for portability. Perfect for electricians working in panels, junction boxes, and small enclosures, it ensures fast and precise screwdriving. The high-quality bits offer long-lasting durability, and the Kraftform handle reduces hand fatigue. This set combines convenience, safety, and performance, making it ideal for professional electricians handling repetitive or confined installation tasks. The Wera VDE Big Pack 1 is a comprehensive toolkit designed for professional electricians. Fully VDE certified for safe work up to 1000 volts, it includes a range of insulated screwdrivers, bits, and accessories stored in a compact organizer. The ergonomic handles provide comfort during prolonged tasks, and the secure storage ensures tools are always accessible. Ideal for control panel installation, maintenance, and service work, this set allows electricians to carry all essential tools in one pack. With high-strength steel construction and precise engineering, the Wera VDE Big Pack 1 delivers durability, efficiency, and professional-grade performance for demanding electrical applications. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 400 is a versatile screwdriver set designed for professional electricians. It includes a wide range of insulated and non-insulated bits stored compactly inside the handle for portability. The ergonomic Kraftform handle ensures comfort during extended use, reducing hand fatigue, while providing excellent torque control. Its durable bits deliver long-lasting precision for repetitive tasks such as terminal connections, panel installations, and maintenance work. Ideal for tight spaces, this set allows electricians to carry all essential tools in one compact solution. With VDE certification and high-quality steel construction, the Kraftform Kompakt 400 ensures safety, reliability, and efficiency for demanding electrical applications. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE 7 is a professional-grade screwdriver set for electricians working on live installations. Fully VDE certified up to 1000 volts, it provides maximum safety during electrical work. The ergonomic Kraftform handle reduces hand fatigue while allowing precise torque control. The set contains 7 essential insulated bits for panel work, service jobs, and maintenance tasks, all stored securely in the compact handle. High-quality steel construction ensures durability, while the portable design keeps the tools easily accessible. Perfect for service electricians and professionals in tight spaces, this set combines efficiency, safety, and versatility in one convenient tool solution. The Wera Joker 6006 set is a self-adjusting, double-ended, open-end wrench set designed for electricians and industrial professionals. Fully VDE certified for safe work on live systems up to 1000 volts, it allows efficient fastening across multiple metric sizes without switching tools. The self-adjusting mechanism grips nuts securely, preventing slippage and reducing damage. Slim head design grants access to tight spaces, making it ideal for control panels, enclosures, and electrical equipment. Constructed from high-strength steel with precision engineering, the Joker 6006 ensures durability and consistent performance. This set is perfect for electricians seeking speed, reliability, and ergonomic design in both installation and maintenance tasks. The Wera Belt B VDE 1 is a highly practical tool set designed for electricians who frequently work on live electrical systems. Fully VDE certified up to 1000 volts, it provides maximum safety during installation and maintenance tasks. The flexible belt holder allows insulated Zyklop bit sockets to be carried directly on the body, ensuring fast access when working on ladders or in tight spaces. Each socket features Wera's holding function, preventing screws from slipping or falling during overhead work. The 1/8-inch drive offers strong torque transfer while maintaining insulation integrity. Ideal for switchgear, control cabinets, and electrical service work, this set significantly improves efficiency and on-site organization. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 100 is a high-quality screwdriver set designed for electricians who need a compact and portable tool solution. Its ergonomic handle provides comfort and precision, reducing hand fatigue during long installations or maintenance work. The set includes a variety of insulated and non-insulated bits, all securely stored inside the handle, making it perfect for tight spaces such as control panels, switchgear, and junction boxes. The robust steel bits ensure long-lasting performance and precise screw engagement. With VDE certification for safety on live circuits, the Kraftform Kompakt 100 delivers professional-grade reliability, efficiency, and versatility. This set is an essential tool for any electrician who demands speed, safety, and precision on every job.
Thanks for watching. Get ready for 20 brand new Wera tools every tool lover will want in 2026. Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Power Tools Pro to catch all the latest hand tool releases and reviews. Make your workshop unstoppable.